Okay, now I want to show you how to assemble this holder for the auger screw measuring devices. When you receive the machine, this part will be disassembled by 3 parts. The first part is the main rack body, and the touch screen, and the auger screw measuring devices. You will first assemble the touch screen by fastening these screws over there, and then use the forklift to lifting these auger screw devices and assemble it by this also fastening these 4 screws. And after assemble this part, you will also need to assemble the auger screw shaft inside. This part also will be disassembled of the tank.